on, P-Risers? Hope you guys are doing, you guys know. Hope you're doing fabulous. Today I'm bringing to you a green juice. So this is all about alkalizing the body. You guys know I talk a lot in my videos about physics and chemistry and how this is about cause and effect, and what we put in our bodies every day is going to have an effect. So I like to just load in the vegetables, the fruits in my body every day to give me the health effect. Now, we also talk about chemistry, and this is really important because this whole world is chemistry, but a lot of people don't realize that our food is actually chemistry. Food is chemistry. So what food we're putting in our bodies is going to have either an acid residue or an alkaline residue. And our blood is on the alkaline or base side of chemistry. So what we want to do is we want to help our blood out by giving our body lots of alkaline rich foods. Now, when you alkalize the body, you are going to be hydrating the body, giving it lots of minerals, which I'm going to be showing you guys in the foods today. So it's really about bringing a lot of mineral rich foods in the body. Now, you guys know I really love fruits. Fruits are really good for hydrating the body, bringing lots of antioxidants and vitamins and minerals in the body. But I also love my green juice. So what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to bring more health to the body. Anytime there's pain, inflammation, disease, which is dis-ease, it's the opposite of health. So what we want to do is we want to flood our system with health. And I love juicing, you guys. I find it's just a nice way to, if you want just kind of like to slow things down, just take your time. I love connecting with my food, taking some time out, to really, I find it's just really a nice meditation for me. Sometimes I turn on some music and we can do that. And it's really, in this world, things can be so hectic, so fast-paced. So it's good to just take some time out for yourselves, slow it down, and the juices will help you do that. It'll help you kind of slow things down, take some time out to put some healthy food in your body. So what I have here is I have some kale. Kale is high in minerals. We're talking about minerals in magnesium, calcium. We have even some spinach. So we're looking at high chlorophyll rich foods, which is going to bring a lot of oxygen to the body, help transport oxygen. We also have some cucumber, which is super hydrating. All of these high water content foods are going to hydrate the body and take it from an acidic, dehydrated state to an alkaline, hydrated state. We also have some apples, which are really good for cleansing of the body. And then we're going to throw in this lime here, which lemons are really powerful astringers on the body, very good cleaners of the body, and also has high vitamin C and water content. The celery in particular, if you're wanting to build back your stomach acid, celery juice is phenomenal for building back hydrochloric acid and getting that balance back in check. And it also contains sodium, so it's another great mineral for alkalizing the body. All right, so let's get into this juice. So what I like to do, you guys, I like to turn on some music. So while we're juicing, we're gonna turn on a bit of music and let's get into it.
I want to tell you, you could have been home a long time ago. As soon as you decide to stop looking for answers in other people and miracles somewhere down the yellow brick road and click the heels of your mind and set your affections on things that are above, you could have been free. years ago, I will rejoice. To fix the mind before you can bestow the blessing, because until they get their mind right, everything you invest in them is going to leak out of the crevices of a mind that refuses to change. Look at your neighbor and ask him, do you have a mind to change? Wait for an answer. If they say no, drag them to the altar. Tell them they got till midnight to get that fix. Woo. Dorothy, I want to tell you, you could have been home a long time ago. As soon as you decide to stop looking for answers in other people and miracles somewhere down the yellow brick road and click the heels of your mind and set your affections on things that are above, you could have been free.
Alright guys, I'm going to have to pour some in this big glass here because we're already full of green goodness. So check this out. Look at that beautiful green color. Lots of chlorophyll in here. Oh wow, we're actually running out of room here. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drink some of this and then we're going to finish off putting the celery in there. But this is a serious green juice. So I'm going to drink some of this, we're going to finish putting the celery through, and we'll drink some more. So let's try it out here. Oh yeah, that lime in there is phenomenal. Now I didn't have any coconuts, but what I'd like to do is add some coconut juice in here, and that will just make it a little bit sweeter. So if you get some coconuts, try this with some coconut juice and it's going to taste so good. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Alright guys, this is my monster green juice. Thanks for tuning in, and if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and way more videos to come on alkalizing the body. Alright, well cheers you guys out, and as always, be your beautiful selves, be rising, and be getting into nature today. Cheers.
I will rejoice.